Hey friends, this is Ron from Optimize Effects. Welcome to another weekly update video. I'm starting to pump these out weekly now. I'm really sorry that it has taken me long to get here, but we're here. And what have I got in store for you guys today? Well, as you can see here, we are on my laptop, which is my testing laptop that has all of the terminals running. We are a few terminals down. There were some robots that weren't performing. I'll get to that later on in the video. So I decided just to close the terminal. For some reason, FBS, which is what I use, the broker, which is what I use for the demo account, sometimes they just close the accounts and I don't realize it. It just stops trading. But I do have over 20 demo accounts running, so I think they just roll them over every now and then, but they're amazing. I don't know of any other VPS, broker that allows me to have like 20 demo accounts running at a time. So can definitely recommend if you like testing a lot. Use fps.com. They're a good broker. They do have a little bit large spreads, but yeah, demo accounts awesome. So without further ado, let's get into the video. I'll go through everything that's going on right now. But if you haven't yet and you like this stuff, please subscribe and smash that like button. It really helps the YouTube algorithm get my videos and channel out there more. So, as you can see right here, we are looking at FX Scalper X. I do have this little indicator that shows all the pairs, which ones are profitable, which ones are not. I think I started this at $1,000 and right now we are up $163, but we're down $97 in drawdown at the moment. I think the max drawdown was 246, we can see here. So at this stage, it's okay. Like, you know, we're running five pairs. Yeah, running 5 pairs. This is all at low risk. And for an algo strategy, 21% is pretty good in terms of drawdown. And yeah, right now we're at 97 negative. There was a lot of news that happened on Friday, for me Friday, which is the market close last week. And yeah, some pairs just went absolutely bonkers, which was really, really interesting. I'll get to how that affected me later on in the video. But I'll try and make this quick. Next one we have EA Picasa, which was trading only gold. I let it trade through all the news and I don't think it did much. Yep, 44 cents. That is perfectly fine. I don't think it trades news, so can definitely recommend. This is a free robot, by the way. I can definitely recommend this. This EA, it is running on gold. I've got it. I think this is the default set on gold. It's made $32 in I think this is the 3rd week or 4th week now in a month. Sure, it doesn't make too much, but it hasn't blown the account, and the highest drawdown was 5% on $500. So, like for a robot to trade gold and not blow the account but still make some money, that's pretty outstanding, I think. So, let's move over to the other one, which I think it does have a set file. It is trading gold M5. 3 days ago it made $5. The highest drawdown was 18% though, so much more. But we started on $500 with this and it's now $744 and going quite well. We're currently in a bit of drawdown, $12, nothing, well 13 really, nothing really to be worried about there. And this is the same robot, but it is trading currency pairs or Forex currency pairs. And we are trading on the FBS. They've got a new account called a Pro account. I'm just testing out this in demo format to see how the Pro works. Not seeing much difference right now, but we don't have any trades, so I'm not sure what's going on here. News filter error, that's fine. But I think it's still trading. I think it's just waiting to open positions. It's not like a really fast robot, but yeah, it's quite good. So this is a I think a set file it's trading as well. And we've got $554 in this account, and I think we started with 500 because I wanted to see if it was possible to do it, and yeah, it's made $54.20. And the drawdown there, actually in this Expert Advisor, this is per pair, so it's 4% there, 7%, 0.62%, 1.22%, 0%, and 0 again. So there you have it. That's EA Picasa. It's a free robot. You can find it for free, and there's plenty of strategies and set files on their website. I'll put the link in the description below. Right, next. This is market reversal alerts, and on the M5 time frame, trading 28 pairs, and I started this at $1,000. And what do I think about it right now? I think that 28 pairs is too much, and we can have a look here. I think I got rid of the terminal down the bottom so you can see all the pairs that were good and all the pairs that, like, you can see the profitable pairs and the not so profitable pairs, and we can pretty much determine here that it's yen pairs and or CAD and franc pairs that are no good. So we could probably trim up the pairs from 28 and remove some of the well-known pairs that aren't great, and we'll do that. So what do I think about it so far? I think 28 pairs is probably too much, and as we can see here, that CAD CHF and NZD JPY probably not so great with this strategy or the news that we've had lately, but overall it has been profitable. As we can see here, we started it on $1,000 and we're up $67. We're down 42 in drawdown, but we're still up, I guess. But I'm not sure if this is correct. The drawdown says negative 341. I never saw it get there, but it could be right. I'm not sure. So I think with this indicator, the drawdown is not calculated correctly, because I think it's calculating drawdown, not including the profitable ones over the drawdown. So I think it's just calculating max drawdown over all the pairs that are in drawdown, and not including that the ones that are in profit. So there you have it. So, well, there you go. I think it's a great strategy to run, but I think overall 28 pairs is probably too much. I'll probably remove all the CHF pairs, all the New Zealand pairs, and maybe some of the yen pairs. I don't know. But looking at this, we can see that the majority are pretty good, like it's profitable. I think it was this CAD CHF that had a really big move, parabolic move, that went in one direction for quite a while, and it decided to cut all ties, which I think is really, really good for an expert advisor to do. For it to do that, like, it's literally lost. It's decided to close at negative $48 in a loss. However, we're still up. So I think that's really good. I think it just shows that this system or this strategy is working quite well. Right, we'll move on to the next one, which is, so it's the same strategy, but we're trading on the H1 time frame. We've only had in the 2 weeks I think I've had it running, we've only had 2 trades. Both of those trades have been profitable. You can see here, both $55 in profit. It's pretty much one trade. I can see for some reason they were 0.10 lots, and this one's a 0.01 lot. So I'm not sure what's happened there. Maybe I didn't apply the set file. So I'll have a look at that. But overall, so far it is so good. $55 a week at the moment. Could be more, but the drawdown hasn't been hardly anything, so I think that's really good. The H4 has just had a couple of losses. Yeah, so I'm a bit disappointed with that. I thought this would actually perform better, or would have better entries being on a higher time frame, but it hasn't. So unfortunately, it's opened a couple of trades, and we have closed them in negative balance. So you get that. Right, we'll quickly move over to the FTMO test I've got going. So the M5 time frame on market reversal alerts, this one here, I decided to test this to see how to go basically on an FTMO challenge with the 28 pairs. And to my surprise, we're actually getting close to being in profit or passing. So right now, profit target is 2,500. We're sitting at 1,500 in profit. We have definitely passed the max loss. We've definitely passed the max daily loss, but only just, I believe. And this is pretty much the summary and the statistics for you to have a quick look at right here. I think the profit factor could be a bit higher. So, but it's above 1, so it means it's a profitable strategy. And risk-reward ratio is 2. Average profit is $47, average loss is 23, so the profits are better than the losses. And we can see here the strategy over the couple of days that it has been running. So right now, market reversal alerts might pass the FTMO trial. We'll see how it goes. The other one that I'm testing, I'm not sure if you've ever heard of it, is E8. E8's really, really good as well. So I'm currently using FTMO, E8, and my Forex funds as prop firms. The only two that allow you to do free trials is E8 and FTMO. My Forex funds does not. But they're the main three that I will be farming in the future when I find profitable strategies. And right now, market reversal alerts, EA, on pairs on the M5 time frame set file, looks to be the one to do. So we can see here, I only started this not too long ago. Right now, we're up 1%. And our profit target is $1,000, and we've made 273. Max loss, killing the max loss, like it's nothing really. We're trading MetaTrader 4. This will end on the 5th, so probably won't make it, but we can see all the trades here. So E8, really good platform. I'll share that link in the description below, and we'll have a quick look very last at, I'm not sure if this is the one that's running right now. It has been running for 1 week, so that might be this one. Yeah, it would be this one. So I created a signal so we can check it. So max drawdown has been 3.9%. It's algo 99, as we know, and profit and loss pretty good. Profit 1608, and yeah, we're getting there with this. So we'll go back to my signals, and we'll have a quick talk about this one. So it did get caught in the news on Friday, and we experienced quite a bit of drawdown, 41%. It is still in a little bit of drawdown right now. It is recovering. It's AUD New Zealand that is giving me really bad times right now. But you get that. It is on a 5% risk. So the drawdown, I did say, I think a video or two ago, was going to be higher than normal. And the profit was going to be higher than normal. So that's what we have here. So we got one trade on AUD CAD, and all the rest are on AUD New Zealand. If it hit 50%, I'll probably start drawdown reduction and remove some bad trades, and for it to help it get out. Sure, we'd have to take a bit of a loss. Right now we're at $120 profit. This is the start of the third week, I believe. So 12% in 2 weeks was pretty good. And there we have it there. So unfortunately, we are in a bit of drawdown. It is recovering though right now, which is good. But, I did say that this would be a risky strategy, and it is definitely a risky strategy. So unfortunately, no good right now, but it is recovering a little bit, and hopefully we should see some profit. And I'm going to revise the risk to reward ratio on this signal. Unfortunately, we've already hit 41%. It's not going to decrease over time, but I will change the risk, I think, from 5% to much lower. So we'll see what we go with there. I'll keep you all up to date on Telegram. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye bye.